That means the towel simply become more dirt than other material, enough that you can skip using chemicals and use water and your microfiber towel if you like. Hi, Andy here. We are the floorman and cleaning equipment distributor in Malaysia, and in this video we're going to run through top 5 household areas that can be benefited by cleaning using microfiber towel. What is so great about this material? First, they are split process within the microfiber towel that can easily pick up more dirt and dust within the fibers. That means the towel simply become more dirt than other material, enough that you can skip using chemicals and use water and your microfiber towel if you like. Plus, microfiber towels are much more absorbent than other material and can leave you a streak-free shine no matter what you are cleaning. So, if you're ready to try out microfiber towels around the house, start with the following 5 types of surfaces. Stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel is popular these days because it looks so nice when it is clean, but the downside is it attracts fingerprint easily. That's why you should keep a dedicated microfiber towel in the kitchen so that you can get rid of smudges on the appliances within seconds. Just get a damp microfiber towel and wipe on the surface on your appliances to get rid of grease and grime. Then rub a dry microfiber towel and polish it. It will result in a clean and shining surface within seconds. The best part about microfiber is that it doesn't scratch the surface. That means your stainless steel can remain flawless after you clean it. Dusting around the house. Another great use of microfiber is dusting. After all, the fiber grab every inch of the dust immediately. Most of the dusty surfaces only require you to rub a dry microfiber towel over them to get them looking clean. However, if the dust is really thick, using a damp microfiber towel can make the job easier for you. The best part is that this material actually traps dust rather than sending it to the air or pushing it around. Plus, since you're not using any dust attracting chemicals, you can clean less frequent now with just microfiber towel and water. Oh yes, some of the chemicals attract dust after you use them. Windows and mirrors. If you have any glass material around the house, microfiber towel is the perfect material to get them clean. So whether you're trying to get the mirrors, windows, or the glass table to shine, just wipe them with a microfiber towel to get rid of the smudges and dirt. Then run over the same surfaces using a dry microfiber towel to eliminate any streaks. You don't even have to use glass cleaner, saving you time and money. Kitchen cabinets and counters. You can get the kitchen sparkling clean when you wipe most of the surfaces down with microfiber towel. For example, you may dust the drawer or cabinet using a damp microfiber towel. And no matter what material the countertop made of, microfiber towel can get them clean. If you have an off-the-shelf kitchen cleaner, just spray on the surface and use a damp microfiber towel and get the countertop looks and feel clean. Washing your car. This one is for my boys out there. When it's time to hand wash your car, get a pack of microfiber towel to get the job done. This material is good for cleaning nearly every part of your car. For example, you can wash the dirt away from the exterior by soaking a microfiber into a car wash soap and water. And you can use this style of towel to dry the exterior of the car and wipe down the windows. You can even use this to wipe the interior of the car. Basically, if you like a clean car, you should keep a handful of microfiber towels on your hands. Alright guys, with so many areas can be cleaned using microfiber towel, it will be hard to differentiate which towel is for which areas to prevent any cross-contamination. For example, you wouldn't want to use the stovetop towel to wipe the dining table because if you make the dining table feel sticky and oily, right? Or for car wash, you wouldn't want the towel that clean your wheels to wipe the interior or windows. An easy way to overcome all that is by using color-coded microfiber towel so that at any given time, you know which towel is for which areas. Alright guys, hope you get some insight of this. If you're looking for color-coded microfiber towel, I'll put the link down. Give us a follow if you're on Instagram or Facebook, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.